Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be learning about the RSI indicator and how to use it in your trading strategy. First, let's talk about what the RSI indicator is. RSI stands for Relative Strength Index, and it's a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. It's typically used to identify overbought and oversold conditions in the market. Now, let's learn how to add the RSI indicator to your chart. First, open up the TradingView app on your mobile or computer. Then, go to the Indicators tab and search for RSI. Click on the first indicator that comes up. Next, go to the settings of the RSI indicator and make some changes to customize it. In the Input section, change the length of the RSI from 14 to 28. Then go to the Style setting and change the RSI line to white and a little bit thicker. Change the upper band value from 70 to 80 and color it red. Change the lower band value from 30 to 20 and color it green. These settings will give you more accuracy when using the RSI indicator. Now, when you see the RSI length around the 20 to 25 level, it's a good indication to look for a buy or long position. When you see the RSI level at 75 to 80, it's a good time to sell or short. These are just general guidelines, and you should always conduct your own research and analysis before making any trades. Finally, let's take a look at some backtesting results. By using the RSI indicator with these custom settings, you can increase the accuracy of your trading strategy and potentially improve your profits. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more trading tips and tutorials.